Crypto Arbitrage, a quick and easy guide. Want to make money with crypto? Let's talk about arbitrage. What is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage is the price difference between exchanges. Crypto arbitrage is when you take advantage of price differences on different exchanges. This is how it works. Buy low on one exchange, sell high on another. Timing is everything. Arbitrage requires quick action. Prices change very fast. Tools to help. Use bots and apps. Use bots or arbitrage apps to automate and track prices across exchanges. What are the risks and challenges? Watch out for fees. Watch out for fees and transfer times. They can turn your trade into a loss or eat into your profits. Arbitrage can bring quick profits, but do your research and stay sharp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.